Dropping $80 on a digital list of chores seems like madness until you actually see the interface of the gold standard task manager. It is pure aesthetic bliss. I spent weeks staring at this comparison because the noise on both sides is deafening. The premium task manager uses a hierarchy that just makes sense. You have areas, you have projects, then you have individual tasks. It feels like a physical desk where everything is tucked away in exactly the right drawer. The design team behind it made a brilliant choice with the daily view. It splits your schedule into today and this evening. It sounds like a tiny detail. It is not. That simple line helps you flip a switch in your brain. It moves you from work mode into winding down. You're paying for a one-time purchase. No subscriptions, no monthly fees. When you look at what other apps charge every 2 years, that $80 price tag starts to look like a bargain. The Premium Task Manager is a masterclass in minimalist design. Every icon and every interaction feels intentional. It does not just hold your tasks. It frames your day in a way that reduces stress. You have areas for broad parts of your life like health or finance. Inside those are specific projects. Then you have the individual tasks. It is a logical flow that people swear by. But then you look at what the free alternative from the tech giant is doing lately. The free app has evolved into a powerhouse that the premium one simply cannot touch in specific ways. Think about location alerts. You walk into the grocery store and your phone pings you to buy milk. The premium app cannot do that. It is completely blind to where you are in the physical world. It cannot help you remember to take out the trash when you get home. Then there is the matter of collaboration. The expensive choice is a solo experience. It is a lonely island. You cannot share a list with your partner or a teammate. The free app handles shared lists with ease. It also lets you attach voice memos and photos directly to a task. The premium one is strictly text. If you want to see a picture of that specific light bulb you need to replace, you are out of luck on the paid version. The real game changer is the new artificial intelligence built into the free system. It scans your emails and your web browser to suggest tasks before you even think of them. It sees you looking at a recipe and offers to create a shopping list. That level of integration is years ahead of the competition. The developers of the aesthetic app have been silent on intelligence features. They are sticking to their guns as a pure focused tool. They are not chasing the latest shiny object. It really comes down to how you process your day. If you are a power user who treats productivity like a religion, the premium design is worth every cent. The keyboard shortcuts on the computer are unmatched. The flow is incredible. It feels like an extension of your thought process. But for everyone else, the free app is no longer a compromise. It is a sophisticated tool that does more for $0. It is a fascinating shift to watch. The underdog tool that comes on every phone has finally caught up to the specialized software. You have to decide if you want the most beautiful experience or the most capable one. One just happens to leave more money in your wallet